this is the my data, and we have to convert this thing into the text format. Convert it. Okay, got it. Now this is the data set I have. Okay, and almost completed cleaning and all. Now go to the. I will show you few like features of this Power Query basically. The first one is home section. In home section, you have this one is if the data set is completed, you want to export this thing into the actual uh, Excel file, so you can say and close and load. Okay, if you press close and load, it will directly create the another file in the Excel main Excel, and after that close and load too. It we will look at the feature this thing like few minutes later, and after that. Uh, I have this kind of thing that we are discussing because we see the delimiter and this thing and format uppercase. If you want the uppercase, you can lowercase, clean, trim, this thing. And there is these features we will going to discuss, okay, in the later on. And add section, these are the custom column. You can add the column, uh, create the new column. These are the thing you can do like in this particular area. Okay. So first, let's close and load this thing. Close and load. Okay. Now, if you close and load, you can see this is the table that we created here. Okay. This is the actual file, and this is the file that created there. Okay, got it. This is the movie's actual file, but this is the file that is created. Now, I have to add financial and movies. I have this data, right? Budget, revenue, unit currency. I have to add here in this particular section. So for that, what I can do, I have, and I will tell you one thing. This is the connection part, okay? Suppose this is uh, movies that is we got from the Power Query after loading in Power Query. We don't need this one right now because we have still have few tasks to do. So that's why I'm deleting this file. Okay? Delete permanently. But I need this thing. This is the thing. Now connection is still there. So what I can do now, I have to load the this financial file. So click here, go to the data, and from table and range, if you press, you can see the financial also loaded in this thing. Okay. Now what I can do, I can set this one as a text format. Okay. A text format, budget, revenue. These are good, right? Now I have this data and this data. Two data are here. Now what I have to do, I have to add uh, a financial all the this budget, revenue, unit, currency in this particular section after this one. Language after language we have to create in the that particular area. Okay, so basically I have to merge query. So for that what I can do, I can go to the where you have to find the merge query option. Okay, and I want merge query as new. Okay, now look at here, this the movies data is already selected. Now I want the financial data. Okay, and the similar means both this table and this table. Which one is the common part? Title. There is no title, but the one thing is here it is ID. So you have to select both the things ID and press OK. Okay, now it's create the another file. Look at the file. It has the movie ID, title, and all those things. And there is one particular area. This is very important. Okay, very important part you have to see very quickly. You can see this two arrows like this one and this one. So what you can do in this particular arrow, uh, you have to press this arrow first. Okay. Now what you have to do? You want what? In this particular arrow is the financial data. Okay. financial data. So I want movie ID, because there is already movie ID in this data set. I want budget, revenue, unit, and currency, right? One, two, three, four. Four part only, four column only. And use original column name as a prefix. What is the name of this one? Financial, right? If this is financial, so it will write the financial budget, financial revenue, financial unit, financial currency. But we don't want. So that's why unselect this one and unselect this column. And after that, if you press expand, okay, it will going to expand here. Look at here. Revenue, budget, these things. Okay, cool, pretty cool. Uh, I got all those things here. That's pretty good. And now what I can do, uh, this is up to this much completed.